We are going to check out the 2021 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS, which is almost 33 feet long.
The bathroom! It's just like ours. It is huge!
Oh my gosh, yeah. Nice. Very spacious bathroom. I like the storage. Hey, Maya. Lots of storage. This is a little bit wider than the Transcend.
Mommy.
Hold on, baby. So here's the shower. I am 5'6" and fit very comfortably. A lot of space inside. Check this out. A bunch of storage. Wow. This is sweet. So you have entrance right to the bathroom if you need to.
Nice windows.
Yeah.
Love the shade.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so beware. There is a step right here. You might face plant like I just did. Lots of storage, which Grand Design is always really great about. Windows, more drawer space.
Oh, that's really nice. I like that.
Air conditioner right here.
The
Thermostat, good job. Light switch. Okay. So here, this is super sweet.
massagers.
Nice. That would be my spot. There's lights underneath. You can change the lights. Outlet. Storage space, pretty deep but narrow.
Think about if you put real tile.
Yeah, how much heavier.
Everything is about weight. That's the biggest thing.
More storage.
Look at this.
This actually has the Jensen and DVD, where I know with some COVID stuff, some of the DVD players have not been installed. This one does have DVD, lots of storage. Pantry? Nice. I like the pantry. A lot of pantry space.
And I love the little lights here. That's really nice.
Yeah.
It's like bigger than ours.
Well, yeah, it's definitely bigger than our camper, but it's got a slide, but we didn't want something with a slide. I do like how it comes
Oh, yeah.
with the sink cover.
It's the same. About the same
So this is the fridge.
Oh,
Check it out. Open it up, Kyla.
Wow. And then I guess this is the food.
So is this the 12 volts?
No, it's not. You can tell by the back.
Okay, so that's the propane freezer. So kind of small because it's divided, but not too bad. The storage space. Lots of space. Oh, thanks, buddy.
And chargers.
Oh yeah, USB ports.
Mommy, outlets.
Yeah. Oh, there's outlets down there. Good.
Also right here.
Oh, those are the light switches. Okay, so let's.
Down there too.
Yeah. So it's. Now let's sit at the table. To me, the table's a little small. I actually think it's smaller than ours. About the same, or
Smaller.
I think it's small.
definitely smaller than the Transcend, which is already small enough for us. So here's some information.
This would be here. It's like we.
The only thing is, if you have kids, you should not get this.
Why?
Because there's no kids bed.
Oh, see? After going through this model, I am still satisfied with our Transcend purchase, but it's definitely a nice rig. I am very pleased with Grand Design. Like Asher pointed out, it doesn't have the bunkhouse, which is something we really need for a family of 5. However, it is a really, really nice rig.